Just look at that, guys. That is a real nice thick creamy curry. That is superb. Very quick, very easy. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to make a really easy creamy chicken curry. Now this is a weeknight curry. It's not a British Indian restaurant curry. It's a quick creamy chicken curry. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. Right guys, I'm using a suki pan today. It's got a bit of a curved base in there, but not to worry. Use any pan you have. Now we're going to make this a bit of a rich curry actually, so we're going to go in with some butter and then we're going to go in with some oil. Now I'm going in with rice bran oil, but you can use any oil you want, you know, don't use olive oil because we're making a curry. So in with a bit of oil. Right, just whiz that around a bit on there. As soon as it starts to melt down a bit, guys, let's get in with some garlic. So in with some garlic, little whiz round, and then we're going in with some onions. So we get our onions in there, and then we just want to give it a little bit of a mix up. Now, as you know, with most curries, you know, especially restaurant curries, they work from a base. Now, this is going to be a quick home curry. We're not using a base. These onions and this garlic is our base. Now, we do really want to cook the rawness out of these onions and garlic, so make sure you sweat them down. If you get a little bit of colour, so be it. Okay, and then what we want to do, we want to go in with a couple of chopped chicken breasts. Now these are only small to medium, so they're only small really. Now this is a really quick creamy midweek curry, you know, we're not trying to emulate any restaurant curry. We're making a nice chicken curry at home. I'm going in with about a teaspoon of chilli powder. Get that in there. Oh look, it's catching there, look. That's because of these pans. So give that a bit of a cooking in there. And then we want to go in with about a teaspoon of garam masala. Nice stir in there. Oh, the smell from the garam masala is fantastic. Now you can see it's starting to catch on this stupid pan, so I'm going to go in with just a little bit of stock. We want to be going in with a couple of tablespoons, heaped tablespoons of tomato paste. Now we're using tomato paste rather than using tomatoes, so we just want to give that a little whiz in there. This thing's spinning round. Right, a nice gentle cook in there, guys. We don't want to be burning any of this, but we want to take that little bit of a rawness out of that tomato paste. And then what we need to be doing, we need to be going in with a couple of tablespoons of curry powder. Now the curry powder is of your choice, and they're going to be heaped tablespoons. You don't want to be making a nice curry here. Give that a stir in. Oh, the smell. In with a touch of our stock. And you can see that curry coming together in there already. Look at that. Now that looks fabulous. What we need to do now is go in with all the rest of our stock. Nice and gently, just get that in there. I mean, that smells absolutely amazing. We want to go in, guys, with about a tablespoon of sugar. Give that a little stir in there. Oh, look at that. Absolutely delicious. And then, guys, here's the secret to this creamy curry. We're using my homemade soup powder, my creamy of anything soup powder. Now, yes, I know this has got thyme in here and parsley, but everything else complements this curry. And the amount of parsley and thyme that's in here, you will not taste in this curry. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tablespoons of soup powder. Give it a stir in. Now it's going to be really thick, so we want to be going in with some boiling water. Get some boiling water in there. Now don't be shy, because when it cooks down it's going to thicken up. And then what we need to be doing, guys, we need to be stirring in some freshly chopped coriander or cilantro. Stir that in there. Let that cook in there. I mean, come on, look at that for a weeknight curry. And that didn't take any time, did it? Just look at that, guys. That is a real nice thick creamy curry. That is superb. Very quick, very easy. Easy to get on the table, you know, when you get in from work. Look at that. All we got to do now is serve it up. Get some of that chicken. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is superb. That is really nice. Guys, that is a really nice creamy chicken curry made. Fantastic for a weeknight. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.